adding a swim pool in my basement.
But busted by city officials.
Here's the final part of this story. You guys knew I was building a pool. I got that thing entirely done. I filled it with water. The family was swimming. Then I get a letter from the city that says they're coming over to inspect my house. They think there's a code violation. I'm not taking any chances. I go and get a golf simulator out of the garage. I drain the pool, and I put this golf simulator inside the hole to tell the city, hey, that's what it's for. Another letter. I'm rejected. You can pause and read these letters if you want. So there's no way I'm not going to have this pool. So I want to make this simulator look totally legit. So I go in, I buy a bunch of turf, I fill it in, I'm dancing, I'm confident, I do some custom woodworking to make this all look like a golf simulator. And I even decide I'm going to take the inspector to a Chiefs game. I rent an RV, I get food and drink, I go pick up the inspector for the game, and there he is. He's wearing blue. He's a Bills fan. What an idiot. Here he goes, drinking on way too much. He's hammered. His loss is my gain. Let me tell you why. While he's in that football game for 3.5 hours, I'm hanging out with his girlfriend. We're hanging out in the RV. We go dancing for a couple hours. Game's over. He can barely walk. He shows up the next morning, 8 a.m., sees my thing, approves it. He could barely see. I get rid of the golf simulator. I'm filling this thing up. I'm going to swim again.